Let us start by looking into mean. Okay, mean is nothing but an average of score in a data, and the mean is denoted by x. For example, we are saying that we have a score of observation x1, x2, and x3 up to xn. This will be our scores or our data. So therefore, if we are having scores x1, x2, x3, it means the formula to find the mean, we are saying mean is equals to x bar, which is equals to sum of observation or sum of values. Let's say sum of values, and values are x1, x2, and x3 all over the total number of values. In this case, we are saying x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn all over n, the total number. So in other words, we can say the formula for mean here, we can say mean is nothing but bar x is equals to the sigma or the summation of n numbers over I equals to 1 up to xi. That's the general formula for mean. Right, let us take for instance example. And in this example, we are just going to take a random, let us say example, the height of only five random selected students. Selected student in a particular school. So this selected height, it can be 80, it can be 90, it can be 100, it can be 110, it can be 120, and we want to find the mean. So we are saying the mean is nothing but bar 1 to represent the mean is equals to sigma or summation of x over the number of observation, which is 80 plus 90 plus 100 plus 110 plus 120 all over the number of observation, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here all over 5. And this gives us 500 over 5, which is now, if we are to divide this, we get a 100, which gives us, therefore, the mean here, the mean is equals to 100. So that's how we find the mean in statistics. I think this is all for this lesson to learn how to find the mean. See you on the next lesson where we are going to look into the median and the mode.